Hey you guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I have finally filmed my first video and it is a makeup tutorial on how I got this bright red lip and gold lid look. So if it's a look you're interested in, definitely stay tuned, but also don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm going to start by going in and filling in my brows with the Benefit Cosmetics Ka-Brow in the number 5. Not really precise when it comes to putting my brows or filling my brows in. I'm really more so about getting them on there because we can always go back and clean them up later with concealer. So what I tend to do is I start by lining the bottom side of my brow, lining the top, filling it in, and then from there kind of pulling the tail end of my brow out. It wasn't until after seeing the footage that I realized that I wasn't in good focus while trying to show you guys how I was doing my brows. So, you know, I can definitely film a brow tutorial for you guys later on. It'll be a little bit more in-depth if that's something you guys are interested in, but sorry. Just going in and doing the same thing on the other brow. Again, not really worried about being too precise because in a second I'm going to go in and clean up both of my brows with concealer. So now I'm going in and cleaning up my brows with a very small precision brush from e.l.f. and I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal to kind of clean things up a bit. So when going in and cleaning up your brows with the concealer, you're essentially following the line that you've already created with your eyebrow gel, pencil, cream, whatever it is that you're using. You're just trying to make it look very clean, very precise. And this is something that I still mess up on myself. It definitely takes practice because sometimes I will, you know, cut the tail end of my eyebrow off or my arch will be looking funny. So in a few, you'll actually see me go back in and apply some more of the brow cream to just kind of neaten everything back up.
That's good.
And I'm just going in and doing the same thing on the other eyebrow with the concealer, just cleaning everything up. What I didn't mention when doing the other eyebrow was how I went in with a small angled fluffy brush and just kind of, you know, blended out the concealer. This is one of the times I was referencing earlier where I'm like blending out the concealer with my fluffy brush and kind of mess up my arch a little bit, but no big deal. You can always go back in and fix it. For the most part, the brows is snatched, honey. We are moving on to the face. Now I'm going in with my LA Girl Pro Prep Primer just to kind of smooth and even everything out before going in and color correcting with my LA Girl Pro Conceal in that orange color. color correcting is helpful because it makes sure that, dark circles or dark blemishes don't kind of peer through your foundation. Moving on into the eyes, I am dipping into my Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette, and I am applying Cocoa Truffle all over my lid. Y'all, the best thing about this palette is it actually smells like chocolate. It smells so good. So after applying Cocoa Truffle from my lid almost up to my brow bone, I'm going to go in using Famous and really focus that on just my lid. Don't want there to be a harsh line between my lid and my crease, so I'm just going back in with the brush that I used to apply Cocoa Truffle, and I'm just kind of blending that gold out. Child, trying to put eyeliner on camera was a disaster. So salute to the ladies who can do it and do it well. For me, it was not easy, but I am going in with my Kat Von D tattoo liner. After that, I am going in with my Kiss Wispy Lashes number 8 and my Duo eyelash glue. It goes on white, but it dries clear. So yeah, you'll see it looks kind of gooky there, but again, trying to put on lashes and eyeliner on camera, it was it was difficult, but hopefully in time it'll get better. But you'll see me just going in and kind of covering up some of that glue with my liner, just because I didn't feel like waiting for it to dry clear. Now I am applying some of my CoverGirl Super Sizer mascara just to kind of help blend my lashes in with the falsies. Alright, now that I have color corrected and done my eye makeup, I am going to go ahead and apply my Fenty Beauty foundation in the color 430. I think it's really important to remember when applying your foundation to bring it down your neck, onto your ears almost, and into your hairline. You definitely don't want any lines of demarcation. So you can see that's what I am doing now. Not really focusing on my under eyes, because once I go in and conceal, that area that appears to be orange will be covered. Start to highlight / conceal using that same concealer that I used to clean up my eyebrows, which is the LA Girl Pro Conceal, and that is in the color Fawn. Alright, now when going in and blending out that concealer, make sure you're using a damp beauty blender. It really does make a huge difference.
That's good.
So I'm going back in now, not using any more product, but just using the foundation brush that I used earlier to just kind of make sure that I blend all of the highlight, make sure everything's kind of buffed nicely into my skin. All right, y'all, it is time to contour, honey. So I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty Match Stick in the color Espresso, and I'm just going around my forehead, my temples, right underneath my cheekbone to kind of make them pop, and then I'm going down my jawline and then my nose. This is when you blend and blend and blend and blend. You definitely want to make sure that you kind of buff in that contour. You don't want a really harsh line or what could appear like an E sitting kind of on the side of your face. So blend, 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 and also make sure you're in good lighting. There's been times where I've been in poor lighting and thought I blended everything really well just to get out like in the natural sunlight and be like, oh, okay. All right, and now we bake. So I am going in with my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the color 35, and you really want to hit your highlight and you want to hit the areas that you crease the most, and then I'm going under my cheekbone really just to kind of, really make my cheekbones pop. Everybody knows you ain't beat until you put on your highlight, honey. So I'm going in now with my NYX Duo Chromatic Illuminating Powder in the color Synthetica. And I'm just applying that to my cheekbone and then lightly around my forehead temple area. And now I'm just using a fluffy brush to kind of dust away that setting powder. When I tell y'all Rihanna is getting all my good points, honey. So now I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty Stunna Lip Paint in the color Uncensored. Alright, and then to set my makeup in place, I went in with my NYX Matte Finishing Spray. I did notice a little bit of a cast, and I think that came from the Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder, so that's why I'm going back in with my Beauty Blender just to kind of blot that in my skin and kind of get rid of that cast. Alright, you guys, that is pretty much it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Ow.